Cesare, what are you eating?
Huh?
What are you eating?
Bella.
Corn? Is it good? Don't take the things out.
Huh?
Don't take them out.
Huh?
Yeah, it'll hurt you.
Out.
What else do you have?
Out.
What else are you eating?
Out.
What's that? Is that watermelon? Mmm, nice summer food, huh? Delicious. Piano piano. Does it smell good? Does it smell good? What did we put on your corn today? What did we put on your corn? Butter?
No.
Can you say butter?
Bye.
Good job.